Let's see how we can exclude special characters and extract the data and paste it into different columns. For this, I go to formula bar is equal to, I use function called text split. First argument is text. Let's select this data, comma, and then second argument is column delimiter. So we need to specify all the delimiters, in this case the special characters. So I start with curly bracket, double quote, and first special character is at the rate, double quote close, comma, and second one is colon, double quote, comma, and the third one is ash. Fourth one is the dollar symbol, double quote, dollar symbol, double quote, comma, and the fourth one is the percentage, double quote, percentage, double quote, comma, and then the ampersand, and next we have star, and then we have hyphen, and let's close the curly bracket, and we also see there are space in between. So for this, let's add a trim function beginning. Let's close this bracket, press enter, and now just copy this, paste it here. Here is the result. Thank you.